Alright, so it is Tuesday morning and we are in Rome. We just had breakfast.
This is Nutella.
Nutella, it's amazing. Last time was a little rough. Hi. We're good, thank you.
Do you know
Yeah,
if we're on?
yeah.
Fake glasses.
We were super tired and it was just a long day, but we are going to explore Rome. And we are super excited. So we have a little bit of a walk to our first location, but it is beautiful out today. I just had to stop in the store because I forgot deodorant and I don't want to stink. So already a good start to the day. Let's hope I can not keep that up. Alright, so right now you can't even see because of the sun, but we are in front of the Trevi Fountain. It's the one where they throw a coin into. It's very beautiful, the water is super clear, and it is very crowded, and my hair is super frizzy. There's a lot of people here now. I definitely didn't make it, but it's fine. In this Italian water, but we keep getting hit on it and it's not making me very comfortable, like everywhere we go. All right, so now we're at the Pantheon. The sun is so bright. I'm good, thank you. I think it used to be like a church, but the architecture is awesome. It's so bright I can't even see where I'm going, but there she is. So we are on our way to the Colosseum. It is just in the distance over there. I think so because like it's saying that the Roman Forum is behind it, but we can stop over there real quick and like see what all that's about. Yeah. So we're going to Colosseum. It is going to be my third world wonder. My goal is to see all of them in life, so I'm almost halfway there.
You see, my goal is just to go to every Disney World in the world.
Yeah, me too. And I'm a quarter of the way there, but I'm going to Paris, Disneyland in April, hopefully.
Wait, you've seen a quarter of the Disney Worlds?
There's only 4. California, there's 5. So I've seen 20%. There's
like a bunch in Florida. There's 3.
Well, I count that as 1.
You have to go to each of them.
But I've been to all of them.
Okay, yeah.
So I've only been to Orlando, but there's only California, Orlando, Paris, Shanghai, and Japan. That's it. I'm an idiot. There's 6. I forgot Hong Kong. I never made it to Disneyland Paris either, so. There's only 5.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. No.
Let us know in the comments.
We just got free bracelets. I don't know if you can even see it. From some guy. He came up to us to tell that we were American, and like he said that his mom lived in America, and we're like, we don't have shoes. And we were like, we don't have any money, and then he just gave it to us, and we're like, okay, thank you. So I hope we're not targeted now.
No.
I'm really.
This bracelet, like it's a sign. They're like to track her.
I know. I'm really hoping it wasn't Lucas in his heart, but you can never be too cautious traveling alone.
Yeah, no.
We ran into him again. He gave us another one. He gave us another bracelet, and we're trying to like get it across to him that we have no money, but he just gave us another one. So I'm like kind of like, I don't know how I feel right now. Coliseum. We're gonna try and make our way up top. We don't know how to do it yet, but we're gonna figure it out. We're starting to get a little bit hungry, but it's worth it to be here. Coliseum. We're like not even half done with our day. We have so much more to do, but we stopped for a quick bite to eat. She just got out some bread. I got some pasta. Brie got a salad, and I'm really excited. Brie got her salad, and it looks so good.
We're not supposed to put the oil on first,
but we didn't.
But and then I took a bite without anything on, and it was like a sin.
My fingers in the chops. It's fine.
They yelled at me. They said, please leave.
I love pasta. I love Italy. Put together, absolute heaven. Alright, so now we're on our way to the Roman Forum to kind of explore that. I got gelato on the way, and this is the most amazing thing I've ever put in my mouth. So if you're ever in Italy, get gelato. First thing you do. Amazing. Back at the hostel. I know the lighting's terrible in here, but like, well, there's no lighting in here to begin with, so there's nothing I can do about it. Everything closed at 3, even though online it said it didn't close till 7. So like, we were in line for things, and they were like, gotta go, we're closed. So that kind of sucked, but we made the most of it. We got some dinner for takeout that we are going to eat right now. I'm in a shower because I stink. We walked over like 35,000 steps today, which is insane. My feet hurts. I literally had a blister in the middle of my sole. I am exhausted, but tomorrow we're gonna have a nice and easy day in Pisa and see the very minimal sights that they have there. And we're just gonna have one easy day before we have a long day in Venice, and then that's the end of our Italy trip. Yeah, I'm gonna shower and eat and go to bed. So see y'all later.